Hello learners, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video, I'm going to guide you that how you can learn English at home. Exactly, I'm going to guide you fully that how you have to learn English very faster at home. And in this video, I'm going to give you such amazing things which can really help you to improve your English a lot. So watch this video till. Okay, let's come to the point. The first thing is very important that our environment. Exactly. If you don't have environment, so that is very hard for you. A few years back I was also like looking for the very good environment and I was not getting, and it was very hard for me. It was very tough for me to get the best environment. There was no any sources. Right now you have the social media, you have everything for the getting everything. The thing is that you have to find the best source, best environment. So it has been long time I have been, like operating a WhatsApp group where you can communicate with the lots of people. There are more than 800 people are communicating with each other. So you have to just open my link. I mean, you have to just open my description and you can get one WhatsApp group link. You have to just click there and you can join on my WhatsApp group. And more than 800 people are improving their communication skill each and every day. They are practicing English every day. You have to just join there. There is a one option on WhatsApp group that voice chat. People are communicating with each other like this. Okay, so you have to just do the same thing. You have to just join my group and you are going to understand the whole games. Right now I should not waste my time here and yours as well on video. I'm just going to talk about the conclusion. Okay, the thing is that the first step you have to take, you have to just join my WhatsApp group and you're going to understand the whole game and you are going to get the one of the best environment and you're going to understand the whole things. Okay, let it be. Let's come to the one more thing. That okay, so the second thing is that you have to start following the good method. I mean, I'm talking about the good practice method. If you're not following the good practice method, I'm going to say you one thing. You're just wasting your lots of time. Exactly. If you really want to know that what is the best practice methods, I'm going to say you one thing, that basics. Exactly. You have to follow the basic things. To be honest, there are lots of YouTubers are on YouTube. They are going to say you that you have to follow this, that you have to follow this methods. They're going to say you the thousand of methods for the practicing English. But at the end of the day, you have to come into the basic. Assume that a guy who wants to gain the muscles, if they're going to hit the gym and they're going to start lifting, they're going to start exercise the advanced machines. They're going to start exercise, like some of advanced what's called exercise. Absolutely not, they are not going to improve their muscle mass. Okay, they have to come to the basic. You have to start, like following the push up, okay, pull ups, squats. They have to do this like that. If a person is newbie and you are also newbie, so you have to start with the basic tips. Start learn something in a basic thing like grammar. Just try to speak it in English. First of all, start listening. I know that you're not going to speak better English right now. Lots of people, they like complain about that, I can't speak in an English. Bro, first of all, if you really want to speak in an English, so you have to start speaking in English. At the end you have to speak as I told you in my lots of video. Okay, again I'm going to give you the example of guy, that a guy who just went to gym and he's just crying about the things that I can't lift 100 kg. Okay, so this is like that. You just went to new, you are the new guy and you're just expecting lots of things. It's not possible. You have to at least practice the things very good way. So I just want to say you in this video that try to follow the basic things. I'm saying you to follow the basic, rules, that speak, listen and read. Nothing else you have to do. You have to learn the basic grammars, I know. And for that I already, suggest you lots of YouTube channel. I want to suggest you right now Ingvid. I already, given my link on that channel, so you can go and subscribe over there. Okay, so you have to just follow the basic thing. Start with the speaking. I already given a, like speaking platform where you can communicate with the people. Start listening. Okay, listening, there are lots of, peoples, they have confusion about the listening, so I'm going to clear the those confusion as well. Like lots of peoples, they think that what should I listen. So if I'm going to say you that what should I listen, so what you are going to do? There are lots of people, they are going to say you listen that this, but I don't want to say you that you have to listen that and this. You have to ask to yourself, that is what is my interest. If you don't know that what is your interest, so I can't help with you. You have to ask yourself. I know maybe you have a something interest. I'm damn sure that you have an interest. Like example, a guy who's very interested about the cricket, so they're going to search about the cricket on YouTube and they will get lots of English podcasts, lots of news is about the cricket. So what you can do, you just can watch those things which you are the interested. If you're the interested about the cricket, if you're the interested about the history, just try to, like listen in English those things. So if you're going to listen these things now, so I mean you're not going to feel bored. And if you are listening something which you are not interested now, so you're going to feel very bored. So do one thing, just try to listen something which are the interested thing for you. If you're not going to listen the things which you are not interested, like example, if I'm going to say you to listen some political news and political dramas, so you're going to think like that, oh my god, I'm just going to learn something for English, and I'm not feeling boring. You're just going to off your laptop, you're just going to off your mobile phone, and you're not going to practice. So whatever you like, try to listen that. That's what I want to say. The first thing I told you, that don't go for the advanced thing, don't go for the thousand of technique, just follow the three things. That first is speaking, I told you about the group. The second thing I told you about the listening practice. And the one thing you need to keep remember, you have to mark one thing, that if I'm going to listen something, so I'm not going to listen for my English, I'm going to entertain myself. That is the thing. And if you're going to entertain yourself just by watching something, so that's all you have to do, man. You're going to nail it if you're going to do like this. So second thing, you have to follow this. And the clear mindset is also matter. I told you that the clear mindset you need to have. Lots of people, like on YouTube, they say you the perfect practice pattern, the best perfect practice pattern. Okay, I'm not saying you to like follow speaking 1 hour, listening 1 hour, reading 1 hour. I'm not saying you to that. First of all, you have to ask yourself that how many hours you can give for your English practice. How many hours do you work? If you example, if you work 8 hours, and if you have a 2 to 3 hours in a day, okay, so just ask to yourself, can I give 1 to 2 hours? If you can give, just jot down all of things on your diary, that I'm going to practice 1 hour, I'm going to listen that, I'm going to read that. Just that's what you have to do. I'm a no one to say you that you have to follow this patterns in kind of thing. You have to just make routine for yourself. That's what I want to say. So you need to have a clear mindset like this. If you're going to follow these things, absolutely are going to help you a lot. This is going to help you a lot to improve your communication skill. That's what you need for that. Okay. And the mindset is really important. The mindset which I'm talking about, that you need to have a clear goals as well. Why I'm learning English. There should be on like reason for the learning English. There are maybe thousand of reason you have. Maybe you want to be improve your personality, you just want to join somewhere, you just want to join an interview, you just want to attend interview, you just want to join college, you just want to join school. Whatever you want to join, you just want to improve your communication skill. You need to have a clear goals, and you have to think that if I'm not going to improve my communication skill, so what's my future? That's what you need to think. The clear goal is also matter. If you really want to crack your dreams, so you have to work on your dreams and follow the basic patterns. Again, I'm saying you, okay, I can make the videos longer. Okay, I can talk about the bullshit things in my video, but no, I don't want to speak like this. I just want to say you the clear thing, that you have to follow the basic: speak, listen, read. That's what. So this is the reminder video, that you have to do that. And comment on my video, this is your first day, and just try to follow the things whatever I have said. Only 30 days. Okay. And just come back. And if you're not going to like improve yourself, just start abusing me. That's what you have to do. That's what I can say about it. Just trust the process, don't demotivate. And the thing is that you have to be consistent each and every day. If you're not going to consistent, so you have to start from the first day again and again. So please follow the things whatever I have mentioned: speaking, listening, reading. That's what you need to do. That's all for today video. This is just motivation and reminder video. Thank you so much.